Hello, my name is Krishna Dahiphale. I am from Acrex Compressors India Pvt. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. I'm talking about our product, that is refrigerant compressor. This is very reliable product which caters diverse industry requirements, particularly in air conditioning segment. So this particular compressor is um, used as a retrofit also for existing chiller installations. So this is very reliable power saving compressor, and we are serving with this particular compressor since last 10 years to the industry requirements and upcoming data center requirements. I think this is the great fit for the customer needs. We at Fusheng Industrial Company Limited, having head office in Taiwan, having different brands under our umbrella, that is Fusheng, FS Curtis, FS Iliad. We carry out various compressor requirements like screw compressor, piston compressor, centrifugal compressor, and refrigerant compressors altogether.